Hey everybody, this is James Pyle from Gracie and James at Century21LookingGlass.com. Today we're going to show you how to turn an ordinary lawn flamingo into these great skeleton flamingos for Halloween. We're going to take black spray paint and spray paint the flamingo. And you always want to make sure you get both the underneath here and underside. When you put them up like this, it's very easy to miss. And now we let it dry. Now that our birds have had time to dry, we're going to go ahead and paint the bones on. All you need is white paint and a white brush, and it goes fairly quickly, just like this. Just like that. In a little bit more detail, let me show you again how to paint the bones onto the flamingo. We start with the beak, kind of go up down the top, and the bottom on each side. Then we go around the eye. We're going to work our way down the body doing vertebrae. I do a V on the neck. One wing bone here. And 3 along here. And that's how we have our skeleton.